What's going on, guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. In this video, we're introducing an exciting new company to the channel, and that company is called Arena Minerals. Now, Arena Minerals is a lithium-focused company, and as we know, in this day and age, how hot the market is, how much potential this sector has, lithium is one of the key components in electric vehicles, in batteries, so I'm very excited to be talking about this company. It's a new company to the channel. We will be working with them, doing a bunch of videos for them, interviewing their CEO, which I will have that video out just after this introduction. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you. Also, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video. So check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. So with that being said, let's get straight into the introduction. Last but not least, if you do support me in the channel and all the videos, kindly smash that like button. It means the world to me and it helps my videos so very much, along with dropping me a comment down below, letting me know your thoughts, and let's get straight into it, guys. So, the company is called Arena Minerals. Now, Arena Minerals is traded on the TSX Venture under ticker symbol AN, or AN.V. So it's got a market cap of $185 million, which is, a decent size, 52-week range of 2 cents all the way up to 66 cents. So recently, it's been on a run, but, over the past year, it's gained substantially. So average daily volume of around 1.855 million shares, and as the time of recording, it was trading at 53 cents, pulling back a little bit, but the lithium sector has been very hot recently. So now we're going to dive into their website real quick, and that is arenaminerals.com. So an integrated approach to the lithium brine industry. World-class management with previous successes in the lithium industry, developed through to production lithium brine projects in Chile and Argentina, most recently Lithium X Energy Corp, which was acquired in 2018 for $265 million. Led by a pioneer of the lithium brine industry, Eduardo Morales, executive chairman, former CEO of Rockwood Lithium Ltda in Chile, where he oversaw the development of the world's premier lithium brine asset in the Salar de Atacama, Chile. Rockwood sold in 2014 for $6.2 billion. So guys, now we're going to dive into the investor presentation. We're going to go over the key points, and as I said, we will be dropping an interview with their CEO and multiple updates along the way. So make sure to stay tuned for that, but we're going to touch on the key points. So this is as of November 2021, very recent. Arena Minerals, assets, process, and team, an integrated approach to the lithium brine industry. World-class assets covering 2 brine-bearing salars in northern Argentina. Sal de la Puna, 11,000 hectares in Pastos Grandes Salar, high-grade resource immediately adjacent to Millennial Lithium. Antofalla, 6,000 hectares immediately adjacent to Albemarle, fully permitted and drill-ready. Combined resource potential for the development of a world-class brine operation. Fast track to production by producing high-purity LiCl on site versus lithium carbonate. Arena has developed a proprietary brine processing technology, producing greater than 30% LiCl, equivalent to 8% lithium concentrate directly from evaporation ponds. So that is very interesting. They've developed their own brine processing technology, and then of course top-tier management, including Eduardo Morales, a pioneer of the lithium brine industry. As we know, past success. Former CEO of Rockwood Lithium Ltda, oversaw the world's premier lithium brine asset in Atacama, Chile. Rockwood was sold for $6.2 billion. Strategic partnership with Ganfeng Lithium, China's largest lithium compounds producer. So that also means a lot. So there we have Eduardo. He is the executive chairman. Will Randall is the president and CEO. We will be interviewing him. Discovered and developed the Sal de Los Angeles lithium brine project in Argentina. Lithium X Energy. Lithium X was acquired for $265 million in 2018. Among many other people. So take a look at the team. Do your research and due diligence. It's always a great idea to take a look at the team before investing into a company. Successful track record. So the key to value creation in the lithium brine industry is to demonstrate the entire process from resource extraction through to saleable high-quality projects. And there we have Lithium X and Rockwood Lithium. So there's a couple of facts about the lithium market. Feel free to pause the video if you want to take a look at this, but we will skip to the next slide here now. So strategic partnership with Ganfeng. Mission of consolidating and developing brine assets capable of jointly producing 20,000 tons per day LCE of lithium chloride. So Ganfeng Lithium is the #1 lithium hydroxide production capacity globally, number 1 lithium metals production capacity globally, and with some staggering figures to go along with that, USD 844 million fiscal year 2020 total revenue. So they IPO'd in 2010 on the Shenzhen Stock Exchange and in 2018 on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. So a truly massive company. So what's their approach to this project? So Mr. Morales and the Arena team have developed a proprietary brine development approach. The process allows for the production of greater than 30% LICL from conventional evaporation ponds. Part of the difference, lower CapEx and lower OPEX, results in a product better for battery-grade lithium carbonate. World-class assets. So Arena's lithium brine assets cover a total of 19,000 hectares in the heart of the lithium triangle, responsible for most of the world's lithium carbonate production. So they're in a very prolific area, a very prolific district, and that's reassuring. So here are some of their projects. I'm just going to simply skim over it. It's just a map outlining the area. So 11,000 hectares in and around the Pastos Grandes Basin, located in the Puna region of Salta, Argentina. There we have the properties. Also, feel free to head on over to their website and download the investor presentation for yourself to get a little bit more information. So the Sal de la Puna project, approximately 22 million invested in acquiring and developing SDLP by the previous operator. Exploration work completed to date, including drilling, pumping, test, seismic, TEM, and process flow sheet work. NI 43-101 compliant resource of 560,000 tons of LCE, so that's good. They got that, and a little bit more information about that asset. So let's move on. So there's approximately a $4 million US work program underway, 35 funded by Ganfeng Lithium. So they're, like I said, strategic partnership. Now, when it comes to drilling, let's take a look. Drilling is underway at the Sal de la Puna, focusing on upgrading and expanding the existing resource. Objective of the program is to define over 1 million tons of LCE resource, primarily in the measured and indicated categories, which are, usually much more economically feasible and mean more than just an inferred resource. Antofalla North, fully permitted and drill ready, 6,000 hectares of prospective lithium-rich salar, adjacent to Albemarle's flagship project in Argentina. So finally, guys, we've got some market value comparisons, and I'm just going to highlight the key points, and then that will be it for the introduction. So fast-track development of assets by successful lithium brine team. Arena shares Pastos Grandes Basin with Millennial Lithium. Initial resource based on previous drilling with plenty of upside to grow. And Antofalla project resource upside and strategic development. So let's take a look at some of the the comparables. Arena Minerals sits at $162 million market cap. Galan Lithium, 800,000 tons. LCE of over 40-year mine life. We got Millennial Lithium, $466 million market cap. 964,000 tons, LCE, over 40-year mine life. Neo Lithium, almost a billion, 1.3 million tons of LCE, over 35-year mine life. And then Lithium Americas, 4.7 billion. So the last thing we're going to cover is the major shareholders. So, and the capital structure, but we're going to focus on the major shareholders. Ganfeng Lithium owns 19% of the company. Lithium Americas owns 13% of the company. Management owns around 10%, and institutions around 8%. So decent insider ownership. Lithium Americas and Ganfeng Lithium equate to over 30% of the ownership. So it's an interesting company, guys. If you're bullish on the EV sector, if you're bullish on lithium, take a look at Arena Minerals. I'm excited to cover the company and see how it goes with this EV boom in full effect. So we'll see you guys in the next video. That's it, and drop me some comments. Have a great day. If you like these videos, kindly hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Drop us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. And finally, always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. Furthermore, this video may or may not have been sponsored by the companies that we've profiled within this video, and we may or may not own shares of any of the profiled companies in this video. If you want to know the full disclosure details, check the description down below, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.